Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken Ural. First, prepare your chicken by cutting about 1.5 pounds into 1-inch pieces. Next, combine the chicken with plain yogurt, a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and your chosen spices like turmeric and chili powder. Ensure everything is well mixed. Allow the chicken to marinate for at least 30 minutes or for a deeper flavor, up to 4 hours in the refrigerator. Now, let's create the flavorful Ural paste. Begin by sautéing 1 large chopped onion in a pan until it turns a lovely golden brown. Then, add 2 chopped tomatoes, 2 or 3 slit green chilies, and a few fresh curry leaves, cooking until the tomatoes soften. Separately, blend 1/4 cup of roasted coconut with 10 to 12 cashews and a little water until it forms a smooth, thick paste. With your paste ready, it's time to cook the chicken. Heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a large, heavy-bottomed pan over medium heat. Add the prepared onion and tomato spice paste, cooking it for about 5 minutes until fragrant and the oil begins to separate. Then, introduce the marinated chicken pieces, stirring well to coat them evenly. Cover and simmer until the chicken is fully cooked and tender, which usually takes 15 to 20 minutes. For the final steps, stir in the smooth coconut and cashew paste you prepared earlier. Mix it thoroughly with the chicken and gravy. Continue to simmer the dish uncovered for another 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and the gravy to thicken to your desired consistency. Finally, garnish your delicious chicken Ural with a generous sprinkle of fresh cilantro. Serve it hot with rice or flatbread for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.